香港係一個國際化嘅城市，呢度大部分嘅人都識兩文三語，而兩文三語亦都漸漸融入咗喺我哋嘅生活當中。你好，請問有咩可以幫到你？
我想辦理那個入居手續。
請你出示一下你的證件。
Hi, what can I help for you?
May I have the menu, please?
Yes, I will get it for you. This is your menu. What would you like to order?
I would like to have butter bread and a cup of lemon tea.
Is there anything else you want to order?
Yes, that's all.
Okay.
不好意思，同學，請問觀塘游泳池在哪裡？
走了就到了。
好的，謝謝。
兩文三語幫助咗我哋喺唔同地方進行文化交流，亦都促使咗香港語言文化嘅持續發展。另外，亦都成就咗香港作為而家文化交流嘅中心。